Have you ever wondered how Portugal's economy has grown over the years? Portugal, a country known for its vibrant culture, picturesque landscapes and historic sites, is more than just a tourist hotspot. It's a nation with a dynamic economy that has been on a growth trajectory over the years. This growth has been fueled by diverse sectors, each playing a significant role in shaping the country's economic landscape. In this video, we'll explore the pillars of Portugal's economy. We'll delve into the booming tourism sector, the rich agricultural industry, the robust manufacturing sector, the burgeoning services industry, the innovative energy sector, and the country's export activities. Each of these sectors exhibits a unique narrative of development, challenges, and opportunities. From the terraced vineyards in the Douro Valley to the bustling factories in Lisbon, from the wind farms dotting the countryside to the busy ports shipping goods worldwide, Portugal's economy is a fascinating tapestry of interwoven sectors. So buckle up as we take a deep dive into each sector contributing to Portugal's economic growth. Firstly, we explore the vibrant tourism sector of Portugal. This sector is a vital cog in the machinery of Portugal's economy, pumping life and color into the nation's fiscal veins. It's no secret that Portugal, with its rich history, cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality, is a magnet for tourists from around the globe. Over the years, tourism in Portugal has seen remarkable growth. From the golden beaches of Algarve to the historic charm of Porto, the allure of Portugal has been drawing in increasing numbers of visitors. This growth is not just a testament to Portugal's inherent appeal, but also a reflection of strategic investments in infrastructure, marketing, and service quality. The impact of tourism on Portugal's economy is profound. It creates jobs, stimulates local businesses, and generates substantial revenue. In fact, tourism contributes to about 17% of Portugal's gross domestic product. That's right, nearly 1/5 of the nation's economy is supported by travelers exploring its cities, beaches, and countryside. Furthermore, the tourism sector also indirectly boosts other sectors like agriculture, manufacturing, and services by creating demand for local products and services. It's a ripple effect that extends beyond the direct revenue from tourist spending. Clearly, tourism is a significant contributor to Portugal's economy. It's a shining example of how embracing and promoting a country's unique charms can drive economic growth and prosperity. Next, we delve into Portugal's agriculture sector. A fertile land kissed by the Atlantic, Portugal's agriculture has roots as deep as its history. This sector is more than just a provider of food and raw materials. It's a lifeline for rural communities and a significant contributor to the nation's economy. In the past, traditional farming methods were the norm. But today, Portugal's agriculture sector has embraced modern technology. Advanced irrigation systems, GPS-guided machinery, and data analytics have revolutionized farming practices, leading to increased productivity and sustainability. The evolution of agriculture has also played its part in the Portuguese economy. It's not just about the olives, cork, and wine anymore. The sector has diversified into higher value crops such as berries and avocados, contributing to rural development and job creation. Indeed, agriculture remains a vital part of Portugal's economic framework. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the Portuguese people, their land, and their enduring relationship with agriculture. Now, let's shift our focus to Portugal's manufacturing sector. A sector that has been a bedrock of the nation's economy, manufacturing in Portugal is a blend of traditional and modern industries. From the centuries-old wine production to the cutting-edge automobile assembly lines, Portugal's manufacturing sector is as diverse as it is dynamic. Over the years, manufacturing has grown significantly, contributing substantially to the country's GDP. Throughout the late 20th century, Portugal saw a steady increase in industrial output, with the manufacturing sector evolving and adapting to global trends. Today it represents about 1/5 of the country's economic output, a testament to its importance. The impact of manufacturing on the economy extends beyond just numbers. It has been instrumental in creating employment opportunities and fostering innovation. The automobile industry, for instance, not only generates jobs, but also promotes technological advancement and boosts exports. Similarly, the textile industry, one of the oldest in the country, continues to thrive, contributing to the national economy and preserving traditional craftsmanship. Manufacturing also plays a crucial role in Portugal's export economy. From cork products, which Portugal is the world's leading exporter, to machinery and transport equipment, The country's manufacturing exports are diverse, reaching markets far and wide. Without a doubt, manufacturing is a robust pillar of Portugal's economy. Its growth and contribution to the national economy underscore the sector's importance and potential. It's a sector that continues to innovate, adapt, and contribute to Portugal's economic resilience and growth. Moving on, we examine the services sector of Portugal. This sector is a vibrant and dynamic component of the country's economy, with a broad spectrum encompassing everything from financial services to telecommunications and from retail to real estate. In the past few decades, Portugal has witnessed a substantial shift from an agrarian and manufacturing-based economy to a services-oriented one. Today, the services sector accounts for more than 2/3 of the country's GDP, marking an impressive growth trajectory. The growth of this sector can be attributed to a variety of factors. Key among them is the country's strategic location at the crossroads of major international trade routes, which has fostered a thriving logistics and transportation industry. The liberalization of markets, coupled with the country's integration into the European Union, has also played a pivotal role, attracting foreign investment and fostering competition. Moreover, Portugal's robust education system and skilled workforce have been instrumental in the growth of high-value services such as information technology and scientific research. The burgeoning tourism industry, a part of the services sector, has also contributed significantly to the economy, creating jobs and generating revenue. The services sector's impact on Portugal's economy extends beyond its direct contribution to GDP. It plays a crucial role in job creation, innovation, and overall economic resilience. It also serves as a cornerstone for the development of other sectors, providing essential services and infrastructure. Evidently, the services sector is a significant driver of Portugal's economy. Next up, we'll look at the energy sector in Portugal. Energy. It's the lifeblood of any economy, powering everything from industry to our homes. In Portugal, the energy sector has been a cornerstone of economic growth. With the right mix of traditional and renewable energy sources, Portugal has managed to create a robust and sustainable energy infrastructure that supports its economic activities. In the past decades, Portugal has made significant strides in the energy sector. The country has shifted from a heavy reliance on imported fossil fuels to a more balanced energy mix. This includes a substantial share of renewable energy, such as wind, solar, and hydropower, which now accounts for nearly half of Portugal's electricity generation. This shift towards renewable energy has not only helped Portugal reduce its carbon footprint, but also created new economic opportunities. The renewable energy industry has spurred job creation, boosted local economies, and attracted foreign investments. Moreover, by reducing the reliance on imported fuels, Portugal has improved its energy security, providing a more stable environment for economic activities. But the energy sector in Portugal is not just about electricity. It also includes the production and distribution of natural gas and petroleum products. These industries play a significant role in the economy, contributing to the gross domestic product and providing thousands of jobs. Clearly, the energy sector is a key player in Portugal's economy. It's a sector that is constantly adapting, innovating, and growing, driving Portugal forward into a sustainable and prosperous future. Finally, we turn our attention to Portugal's export sector. A vibrant and dynamic part of the country's economy, exports have been a key driver of Portugal's economic growth. The export sector isn't just about moving goods across borders, it's a reflection of the strength and adaptability of a nation's industries. Over the years, Portugal has seen a steady rise in the value of its exports. From traditional goods like textiles, footwear, and cork, Portugal has expanded its export portfolio to include more complex products such as machinery, vehicles, and chemical products. This diversification is a testament to the resilience and innovation of Portuguese industries. At the heart of Portugal's export sector is its thriving automobile industry. Portugal is a significant exporter of vehicles, with major global car manufacturers choosing to set up production facilities in the country. The automobile sector's success is a shining example of Portugal's manufacturing prowess and its ability to compete on the global stage. Another noteworthy contributor to Portugal's exports is its agriculture sector. The country is known for its high-quality wines, olive oil, and fruits, which are greatly sought after in international markets. The success of Portugal's agricultural exports highlights the country's commitment to quality and sustainability. Portugal's export sector has not only contributed to its GDP growth, but has also created jobs, stimulated innovation, and fostered international relationships. The sector's growth has had a positive ripple effect on the rest of the economy, boosting domestic industries and encouraging investment. Moreover, the export sector's adaptability has been evident in its response to global trends and challenges. Whether it's adopting new technologies, adjusting to shifts in global demand, or navigating through trade uncertainties, Portugal's export sector has consistently demonstrated its resilience and creativity. In conclusion, Portugal's export sector is a vital component of its economy. Its growth and development over the years have not only boosted the country's economic performance, but have also showcased the strength and adaptability of Portuguese industries. Undeniably, exports significantly contribute to Portugal's economy. In conclusion, each of these sectors plays a vital role in Portugal's economic growth. From the sun-kissed beaches drawing tourists from across the globe, to the verdant fields yielding abundant agricultural produce, every aspect contributes to the country's flourishing economy. The manufacturing sector, with its innovative technologies and skilled workforce, is a significant driver of growth, while the services sector, with its vast array of offerings, keeps the economy vibrant and dynamic. The energy sector, too, is crucial, with Portugal making impressive strides in renewable energy sources, demonstrating a commitment to sustainability that is both admirable and beneficial for economic stability. And let's not forget the export sector, which brings Portuguese goods and services to the international market, further bolstering the nation's economy. I hope you enjoyed our economic tour of Portugal. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Mr. Explainer for more insightful videos.